Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by ensuring Rpcs3 is up to date and your system recognizes the Xbox controller. Plug in the controller or pair it over Bluetooth, then confirm Windows shows an Xbox device. Once done, launch Rpcs3 and immediately open Config and select pads so you can begin mapping. This step prepares input layers and lets Rpcs3 detect the controller. Make sure Steam input is disabled for testing because middleware can block direct mappings. Now map the controls. Pick the pad slot that your game will use and click Configure to assign buttons, D-pad, sticks, and analog triggers. Use analog curves for precise throttle or camera control and invert axes only when necessary. Test vibration and dead zones in the same dialog to avoid drift. Once happy, save the profile and export it so you can load identical settings for other titles. This avoids redoing nuanced analog tuning every time. Finally, run a quick game test to confirm button mapping and analog behavior. While playing, tweak sensitivity and dead zones until movement feels natural and save changes. If you see stick drift or wrong axes, open Windows Game Controllers to calibrate the device, then retest. If Rpcs3 does not detect input, switch between X input and direct input backends in pads, disable Steam input, or reinstall Xbox drivers. These fixes resolve most detection problems and let you return to smooth gameplay.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.